Saan mo kayo magbibigay ng opinion? Why did you choose, for example, Grimes? Over to discuss
My opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also express your
I
opinion.
am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
Ano yung, what's your opinion?
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kesa Diskaya. Bakit gano'n? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Hindi, Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
Why are you so protective of the Discayas? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba natin i-record ito? Palagi nyo sinasabi, I am protective of the Discayas. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Session is resolved. Session is resolved. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I am questioning the proceedings, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed. Go ahead.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceeding. If you will not allow me to raise this point, maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.
Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Your Honor, okay na po bang makapagiging po ng opening statement po?
Ipag-proceed with that hearing niya.
Magandang maga po sa inyong lahat. Tinatanggap ko po na ako po ay bilang sinuwa ng maraming tanong, mga nakakalang ng araw, upang maproteksyonan ang institusyon na aking nahansan sa pagsulong taon. Subalit, itong mga nakang-araw, ako po ay nakapag-isip-isip at tumulong na lamang po sa investigasyon na ito para sa bayan. Narito po ako sa